All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I just pulled over for a quick break, about halfway through the route today.
Made it to the river spot at the 2 sharp turns back. This is actually worth it.
All right, pit stop dinner, keeping it basic. Sausages, rice, and maybe if I'm feeling fancy, I'll throw in some chili flakes. Yep. All right, wrapped up a solid ride today. The mountain air hits different once the sun goes down. Kind of peaceful out here. All right, last check-in for today. Just got settled in. The fire's out, the air's cold, but this bag's warm. My back's definitely feeling that ride. Morning. Slept solid, cold night, but the layers held up. Already got the fire out and coffee in. Made it. That's the coast, finally. Long ride, but man, this view, totally worth it. All right, this is it. Last stop on the route. Sun's going down, Seal's doing its thing, and I'm just standing here thinking this ride meant something.